Hello, scholars. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So, scholars, today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 8. And the name of the chapter is Exploring Multiplication Further. So, let's begin with the chapter now. So, scholars, we have already studied multiplication in chapter number 7, that is the previous chapter. Now, in this chapter, we will learn more about multiplication. So, that means we will explore multiplication further. So, let's begin with the first exercise. That is on page number 114, exercise 8A. See the first question given here? Put these erasers into groups to show two multiplication facts for each. In the previous chapter, we have studied how to form the groups, how to form the multiplication sentence by making the groups. Here we will learn how to make two multiplication sentence. Okay, see the first picture given here. In the first picture, both are having yellow color eraser. First, we will form the groups. As I've already told you, first we will write the groups so that we don't make any mistake. So here how many groups we can see? One group, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups we can see. So we will write that first. 5 into, and in each group how many are there? 3 erasers. So 5 into 3 is the first multiplication fact. Now see the second picture here. This is the second group and this is the third group. So how many groups we have formed? 3 groups. And in each group, how many erasers are there? 5. So this is the way how we make two multiplication fact for the given picture. Now see the second one. Again we will form the groups first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups are there and in each group 2 erasers are there. This is the first multiplication fact. Now see the second one. One group, second group. So 2 groups are there and in each group 4 erasers are there. So this is the way how we form two multiplication fact for the given picture. Now I would like you all to try this one as homework. Okay? Now moving on to the next question. Write the multiplication facts to show that the order of multiplication does not matter. Yes. Okay. The order of the multiplication does not matter. That we will learn here. Okay. See the second one, because first one is already done. We'll start from the second one. First we will see how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups are there. So we will write here 4. Multiplication sign. Now in each group, how many are there? 3. So what is 4 threes are? 4 threes are 12. Okay. This is the first multiplication fact. Now let's see the second one, whether it is same or not. First we will form the groups. 1, 2, 3. So 3 groups are there and in each group 4 pencils, color pencils are there. Okay, so what is 3 fours are? 3 fours is also 12. See, both the way we got 12. That means the order of multiplication does not matter. Okay. Now see one more. See the C. First we will form the group 1, 2. 2 groups are there and in each group 5 color pencils are there. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. Now see the next picture. First we will form the groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 groups are there and in each group 2 color pencils are there. Crayon colors you can say. So what is 5 twos are? Again 10. See, the order of multiplication does not matter. In both the way, the answer will come the same. Okay, now try this one as homework. Okay. Now come to the next question. Complete the table as shown. multiplication fact you know and make the new multiplication fact. Okay, first one is already done. Let's do the second one. 3 5s are. What is 3 5s are? 15. Now if we make the new multiplication fact, that means we will do the opposite of that. 5 3s are. Again we will get 15 only. This is the new multiplication fact for it. Okay, see the next one. 4 10s are 40. Now the next multiplication fact, the new one that we will form is 10 into 4 is equals to 40. Okay, same way see the next one. 4 5s are 20. Okay, the new multiplication fact will be 5 into 4 is equals to 20. This is the way how you complete the multiplication fact, the new one. So I would like you all to try this one as homework. Okay, now we will move on to the next page. Page number 119. Exercise 8b. Find the product. Okay, multiplication I have already explained you how to do. Find the product. Let's start with the first one. Okay, see the first one. 32 multiplied by 3. So as I've already told you, we have to first multiply 3 by 2 and then 3 by 3. Okay, so always we start with the ones side. This is the ones place. This side we always start with. So what is 3 2s are? 3 2s are 6. So we will write it here. Now we have to multiply 3 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now see the next one. Again, we have to first multiply 4 with 2 and then 4 with 1. And we always start with the ones side. So what is 4 2s are? 8. And 4 1s are 4. This is the way how you find the product of the given number. Now see the next one. Again, first we will multiply 6 with 1 and here also 6 with 1. First we always start with the ones side. And then in the second step we multiplied with tens. 6 1s are 6 and again 6 1s are 6. So the answer is 66. Okay, see one more. Now we have to multiply first 3 with 1 and then 3 with 2. So what is 3 1s are? 3 and 3 2s are 6. Simple. But here you need to know the tables for that. Okay. Now see one more. First we will multiply 1 with 5 and then 1 with 7. So 1 5s are 5 and 1 7s are 7. Easy. So now I would like you all to try this as homework. Okay. Moving on to the next exercise. Exercise 8C. On page number 121. Okay. Now here we will learn how to regroup the ones. Okay. Just now we were doing simple multiplication. Now we will study how to regroup the ones. Okay. Like we have studied in addition and subtraction. Okay, same way. First, we will always start with the one side. Okay. So first we have to multiply 2 with 6 and then with 2 with 4. So what is 2 6 are? When you multiply 2 with 6, you will get 12. But we will not write 12 here. We will regroup it. 2 will be written here and the 1 will be given carry over to the tens column. And now when you will multiply 2 with 4. So what is 2 4s are? 8. And now in that 8, the one which we have got carry over, we have to add it. That means 2 4s are 8 and 8 plus 1, 9. That 9 will be written here. So don't forget to add the carry over one. Okay. Okay. See the next one now. Again, first we will multiply 6 with 8 and then 6 with 1. So what is 6 8s are? 6 8s are is 48. We are not going to write 48 together here. we will write only 8 in the ones column, and this 4 will be given carry over to the tens column. And now whatever the answer will come, we have to add it, okay, in that. So what is 6 ones are? 6. And plus 4, 10. So we will write like this, 10. So the answer is 108. Okay. Now see one more. Okay. Again, first we will multiply 3 with 7 and then 3 with 2. So what is 3 sevens are? 3 sevens are is 21. So we will regroup it. 1 will be written in the ones column and this 2 will be given carry over to the tens column. Now multiply 3 with 2. 3 twos are is 6. Now add the carryover one. 6 plus 2 is 8. So the answer is 81. Okay. Now let's check out this one. Regroup the tens now. Okay, till now we were doing regroup the ones. Whatever was coming in the ones column, that we were regrouping. Now see how to regroup the tens. Okay. So first the method is the same. 2 ones are. What is 2 ones are? 2. Here it is no regrouping. Okay. Now see the next step. Now we have to multiply 2 with 6. So what is 2 6 are? 12. Simply write it here. 2 6 are 12. See, like this way. Okay. Now see the next one. This one. First we will multiply 3 with 2 and then 3 with 9. So what is 3 twos are? 3 twos are 6. Okay. Now step 2. Multiply 3 with 9. So 3 nines are 27. So we will write it like this. 3 nines are 27. Okay. So now I would like you all to try this as homework. Okay. Moving on to the next exercise, that is exercise 8D on page number 123. Now here we have to regroup ones and tens both. Okay. So let's start with the first one. First we will multiply 3 with 7 and then 3 with 9 and let's see what the answer comes. So what is 3 sevens are? 3 sevens are is 21. So we need to regroup it. 1 will be written in the ones column and 2 we have to give carry over to the tens column. That means we will add 2. Okay. Now see 3 nines are 27 and plus 2. 28, 29. Okay. This is the way how we regroup ones and tens both. Let's check out the next one. First we will multiply the ones side, that is 5 into 3 and then 5 into 7. So what is 5 threes are? 5 threes are is 15. 5 we will write here and 1 will be given carry over to the tens column. Okay. Now we have to say the table of 5 7 times. So what is 5 sevens are? 5 sevens are 35 plus 1 36. Good? Easy, no? Okay. See, let's see one more. This one. Now first we will multiply 6 with 2 and then 6 with 8. So what is 6 twos are? 6 twos are is 12. So 12 we have to regroup into ones and tens. 2 will be written in the ones column and this 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now what is 6 eights are? 6 eights are 48 plus 1 49. Okay. See one more. Now first we will multiply 4 with 4 and then 4 with 8. So what is 4 fours are? 16. We have to regroup it. 6 will be written under the ones column and 1 will go carry to the tens column. Now what is 4 eights are? 8 fours are or 4 eights are? 32 plus 1 33. Okay. So now try this 4 as homework. Okay. Moving on to the next question. mixed practice. Mixed practice means it is not necessary that here in each question you have to regroup it. It's regroup only if it is required. Okay, so let's check out the first one. 3 3s are 9 and 3 6 are 18. Okay, here we have to only regroup the tens. Now let's see the next one. 3 8s are 24. Here we have to regroup it. 4 will be written under the ones column and this 2 will go carry to the tens column. Now first say the table of 3 2 times. 3 2s are 6 and plus 2 8. So that 8 will be written under the tens column only. Okay. Here we don't have to regroup it. Okay. Now let's check out this one. Okay. First we will multiply 5 with 7 and then again 5 with 7. 5 7s are 35. So we have to regroup. 5 will be written here. 3 will be regrouped. Now again say 5 7s are 35 plus 3. 36, 37, 38. So the answer is 385. Okay. Let's see this one now. We have to multiply 2 with 2 and then again 2 with 2. So what is 2 2s are? 4. Again 2 2s are 4. Here there was no regrouping. It was simple one. Okay. Now let's do this one. First we will multiply 4 with 7 and 4 with 3 in the step 2. So what is 4 7s are? 28. So we have to regroup it. 8 will be written under the ones column and 2 will be given carry over to the tens column. Now say the table of 4 3 times. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. Okay. Scholars, so I would like you all to try the remaining one now as homework. Okay. Now moving on to the last page of this chapter, that is problem solving. Solve the following multiplication sum. One is done for you. Okay. This one is already done. We will start with this one. There are 2 staff rooms with 5 fans in each room. How many fans in all? Okay. So first, how many staff rooms are there? 2. So let's write 2. And then in each room, how many fans are there? 5. So now we have to multiplication fact we have made. Now we have to simply multiply. 2 5s are 10. That means total 10 fans were there in all. Okay. Let's see the next one. There are 4 chalk boxes in the cupboard. Each box has 6 chalks. How many chalks in all? So there are 4 chalk boxes and in each chalk box 6 chalks are there. So what is 4 6 are? 24. That means total 24 chalks are there in all. Okay. Now try this one as homework. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Read the following problems to decide whether they are addition, subtraction or multiplication problem and circle the correct symbol. Okay. So we have to read the question carefully and then we have to find out whether we have to add or subtract or multiply. Okay. See the first one. The circus was decorated with some big red balloons and some big blue balloons. How many more red balloons were there than the blue balloons? So they are asking, in a circus there were red balloons also and blue balloons also. So how many more red balloons were there than the blue balloons? So that only we can find out by subtracting. So that means this is a subtraction question. So we will circle it. Okay. To find out how many more red balloons are there, Then blue balloon we have to subtract. Okay, see the next one now. Several people came for the afternoon show. Many more people came for the evening show. How many people came for both the shows? They are asking how many people came for both the shows together. Several came for the afternoon show. Many more people came for the evening show. How many people came for both the show? For that we have to add and then we can find out whether how many came in both the show. Okay, that we can find out only after adding. Okay, now see the next one. Some jugglers were tossing colorful balls up in the air. If each juggler had the same number of balls, how many balls were there in all? See, some jugglers were tossing the colorful balls. The number is not given to us. But if each juggler had the same number of ball, that means we have to multiply. When they are asking each, that means we have to simply multiply to find out. Okay, so this is a multiplication question. Okay, so I would like you all to try the last one as homework. So scholars, here we come to the end of chapter number 8. The worksheet related to this chapter is given in the link in the description box. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and don't forget to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Thank you.